So one them get you organize it today.
Man, maybe the world by saying that Obi the Mobi and one. It's all the way from Enugu State where they are. I believe from me. Able from the entrance. We're now for the good work. The so we're better inside. The bigger lad in Nogana. We're going to right up Nina. We're now the go far. Obi the man. I'm telling you, most of the right ups. So I'm very, very happy with all the right ups. Younger Bondi, it's high time. I to show water. Now most things in them we can daughter. Able to from daughter. I need to be our own. I need to do on our own. I need to develop those talents in our West. I need to, this is the time for us to start developing it. So that in future by next 20 years, by next 30 years, Igbo are the productive. People in daughter will be coming to Igbo land to come and buy things, to come and trade with us.
Alright, thank you very much.
Okay, I'm engineer Chuku Anthony.
Engineer, you are highly welcome.
Thank you.